What's up? You fucking fake ass undercover lame ass bitch.
What did you say?
She wasn't happy with that. Fake ass undercover lame ass bad
Rolling down the strip, lights flashing for clout. Bob wants applause, but the crowd shouts him out. Girl in the dark, voice cut through the air. Fake ass undercover lame ass bitch, that's fair.
Bob's ego's bruised.
Pride in his eyes, he's got no clue. Just chasing that slice. He turns tight, patrols run thin, looking for a vibe that'll let him win. Scanners alive, calls in the night, but Bob's tuned out, got no appetite for justice. That is not just for snacks. Hot ham, cheese, shaving plastic wrap. Fake ass undercover, lame ass bitch. Bob's on the beat, he's missing the pitch. Swerving through shadows, chasing a bite. Snagging on pride in the neon light. Bob blinks tight lip, lights standing him still. Talk of lights, talk of fear, talk of the girls. Bob's world's a loop, imagine a twirl. Pat's chewing chips, Jelly Joe's got jerky vibes. Ego's the engine running dirty. They hear flow from the street, cuts deep, but they drive on by. Their mission's cheap.
Bob's chasing clout, not calls. Snacks not safety, pride not patrols. Lights off now.
Like for what?
Eagles on high. Bob's the mayor of a make-believe.
What do you mean? What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Where is he? No, I'm not sure. Is he talking to his
Fake ass undercover, lame ass bitch. Bob's on the beat, but he's missing the pitch. Swerving through shadows, chasing a bite. Snacking on pride
Well,
in
you
the
posted us in
neon
the car and
light.
you were asking
Fake
us.
ass undercover.
Well, we're here for your
lame ass
safety.
bitch.
We're here for your
It
safety.
echoes in the
We're here for your
bars, in the
safety.
chat, in the air.
Why do you
Bob
think we're
hears
down
it
here?
loud, but he'll never change the
Why would you
sound.
assume that?
Okay,
So
so
that's
we're going down now. So
Well, I've never killed anyone.
three
Sir?
people with you in an undercover fucking car.
Right.
Why do you think undercovers are even a smart idea to begin with? I don't think so, bro.
Well, you and I have a different opinion, but can we respect each other's opinion?
How about I'll do something for you then. Okay, so
Okay.
you guys want to go to my place in Mexico, you guys go rent out my place in Mexico.
Well, that's kind of
The
you.
discount,
But-
$50 a fucking day.
But I'm happy here. Huh?
Girlfriend don't know the exact address, but still, Evan Hart.
Yeah.
How stupid is that fucking sound?
Fake ass undercover, lame
Why
ass
is it
bitch.
stupid?
Bob's on the beat, but he's missing the
Why is it
pitch.
stupid?
Swerving through shadows, chasing a
Well, I'm
bite.
listening. I'm hearing. I'm
Snacking
trying to be a
on
good
pride in
listener.
the neon light.
Person, okay.
But you
Chips, Jelly Joe's got jerky.
Bob's
Yeah.
ego's the engine
Sean?
running dirty.
They hear
Your name's Sean? What's your name?
from the street.
My name?
But they drive on by. Their mission's
Well,
cheap.
you asked him if he was a sheriff. He just communicated. My name, by the way, my name's
Out here thinking you guys are fucking.
I got it. My name's Bob.
But he goes on high, Bob's a mayor of a
Okay.
Okay, my name's Stacy. You guys could see me at my jewelry store.